Hello everyone. Today we'll be going over section 8.3, measure of central tendency. So, it's a single value that describes a list of data by identifying the central value within the list. And here we have three measures of central tendency. The first one is the mean value. Mean value is the average of a list. And the way we find the average is to sum up the observed values, so sum up the data. And if we use S to represent the sum, then the formula will be S divided by the number of observed values, N. So if let's say we have five data, so the mean value will be you add the five data up and then divide the sum by 5. Okay, so that's the mean value formula. And next one we have the median. Median is the middle number after you have ranked the list from smallest to largest. So you gotta sort them first from smallest to largest and then find the middle between of all the numbers. So if let's say there are two middle numbers, then you take the average of the two middle numbers. So if you have two numbers in the middle, then you take the average or the mean of these two numbers. And keep in mind that median is resistant to extreme values. So let's say if this is my data, if this is the list of numbers I have, then the median, because it's resistant to the extreme value, which we have here is 500, then that means we don't need to care about the 500. We'll just look uh, for the median from the other five data. So other five numbers. So the median then is going to be the middle of the five, which is here. So the median for this set of numbers or for this list of numbers is 5. And the last thing we have here is the mode. The mode is the value that occurs most frequently. Okay, and not every set of data has a mode, because if all of the data occurs only once, then we don't have a mode. And sometimes there are more than one mode. Let's say we have a list of 10 data, and two of them occurred 5 times. Both occurred 5 times. Then the mode will be those two numbers. Okay, so you can have more than one mode as well. So now let's look at the first example here. Well, remember, you always need to order your data from least to greatest, and it's always the best to order it the first. So let's order them. Well, our smallest data here is 1. So we've done 1, and then we have 2. And then we don't have 3, but we have 4. And I have 5. And another 5. And 6. And 7. So in total, we have 7 numbers. And the mean then will be, well, the sum of all the numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 6 plus 7, and divided by the total number that we have with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers, so divided by 7. And so it's 30 divided by 7, which is roughly 4.3. So our mean value for this set of data is 4.3. Now median is the middle number. Well, the middle of 7 numbers is the fourth one, which is 5. So median is 5. And then mode is the number that appears the most frequently. Well, 1, 2, 4, 6, and 7 only appeared once, but 5 appeared twice. So the mode here will be just 5. Okay, and let's try the next example. So again, let's order them from least to greatest first. So we are starting from least is 57, and then we have 60, 61, 62, another 62, and 70. So mean, again, you add the numbers up and divide it by the total number. So 57 plus 60 plus 61, 62, 62 plus 70 divided by the total number, 3 plus 3, 6 numbers we have in total. So that is 372 divided by 6, which is equal to 72. So the mean for this question is 72. Now let's look at the median. So median is the middle number. Well, but we have 6 numbers here in total. The middle will be these two, 61 and 62. So this time we have 2 middle numbers, and remember that if we have 2 middle numbers, we'll need to take the average of the two, or take the mean of the two. So 61 plus 62 divided by 2, which is equal to 123 divided by 2, so 61.5. Okay, last one, mode. Which number appeared most frequently? Well, all of the other numbers only appeared once, except 62. So 62 appeared twice, and our mode will be 62. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Please try your homework questions up here and let me know if you have any questions.